Hi guys, today is Sunday, so I don't have any class. That's why I'm gonna go out and study somewhere. This is on my way to Central, and on my way I got myself something sweet. There is a co-working space on 3rd floor at Central, so we are on the way there. But it turned out there were so many people and we don't have any place to sit, so we just went to another place. I just finished my intermediate Thai class, but I feel like I still need to learn more, so I wanted to learn from the start again. And then I realized I forgot to bring my pencil, so I just borrowed a paper and a pen from my friend. And then after a few hours we just came home. So now I just got home and it's around 6 p.m. and I'm about to go work out. So guys, this is my dinner: chicken breast and fried egg.
What we are hearing, this is from the Reuters news agency, a significant development. Lebanon's Hezbollah says its leader...
So guys, it's almost 9 p.m. and there is one sound that I'm literally obsessed these days. It is called Meow by Meow. So now I am practicing their dance, and I'm going to upload in my channel soon, so check it out. So guys, I just finished practicing Meow and I'm literally on the floor. It's been so long that I haven't been dancing, and yeah, I'm about to die. Actually, I haven't been dancing for so long, so oh my god, that was so tiring. So for the cleanser, I use this one. Like other vloggers, I don't know what to say, so this is so awkward. And I've never talked in my previous vlog, so this is the place where I do my makeup, and I just organized these yesterday, so it looks clean and it's gonna be a mess within a few days. So this is my nighttime skincare routine. First, I use Lancome toner with the little cotton pad like this. I don't have like so many skincare steps like others because I don't know how. So I just use toner, serum, and just moisturizer. And then for serum, I use this one from Garnier, Bright Complete 30x Vitamin C Plus. Fuel pump. Oops. Blend it. Smells so good actually. And then for moisturizer, I use this one from Clinique. And for my lips, I use this Vaseline. So that's all for my skincare steps, and I'm going to sleep, so hope to see you in another video. Bye.